Research Strategies Part 3. Types of Resources. Primary and secondary resources. Sources for your paper are either primary or secondary. Primary sources are original works or first-hand information. Secondary sources are works that are about primary sources. William Shakespeare's play, The Tragedy of Hamlet, Prince of Denmark, is a primary source. Harold Bloom's criticism of the play would be a secondary source. Either type of resource may be acceptable for your paper. Secondary sources should be evaluated carefully before using. Consult your assignment, instructions, or instructor for clarification. Types of resources. You will encounter many types of sources as you conduct your research. Resources can come in a variety of formats: website, video, print, etc. Most resources fall into several general categories. Popular magazines, a collection of articles of popular interest or current events. Usually intended to inform, entertain, or present opinion. Examples: Time, Sports Illustrated, National Geographic, People. Scholarly journals. Articles are written by scholars in the field. Articles are then peer-reviewed by an editorial board of experts. Examples: Journal of the American Medical Association, The Historian, and Journal of Accountancy. Newspapers, published daily and covering current events and opinion. A good source of local information and general subject coverage. Examples: New York Times, Dallas Morning News, Washington Post. Books and ebooks. Good for broad coverage of a subject when you need lots of information. Due to long publishing cycles, books are not always the best source for the most current information. Examples: Freakonomics, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Encyclopedias, dictionaries, and guides are collections of short, factual entries of introductory information on a topic. They're good for exploring a topic idea, but not often cited as sources for scholarly research. Examples: Encyclopedia Britannica, Biographical Dictionary of Composers, and Wikipedia. Many governmental agencies collect data on their area of influence. Government websites, such as .gov, are often great sources for statistical information. Examples: USA.gov, Texas.gov, DOE.gov. What's next? Now that you have a sense of what types of resources are available, it's time to find them. Take a look at the next tutorial in this series, Research Strategies Part 4, Finding Resources. Any questions? Please contact your nearest NCTC librarian for more information and help. Thank you so much for watching.
Created using Powtoon.